Hello everyone and welcome back to Unskilled Kitchen. Oh my God. If you haven't noticed, I got a mic. I finally got a mic. My neighbor is using their lawnmower. You can't tell. So what are we going to be cooking today? I'll tell you what we're going to be cooking today. It initially started off that I was going to do a no cooking recipe today. But thanks to my Instagram feed and seeing all those big fried chicken sandos, I had a dream about fried chicken last night. So we're making some fried chicken sandwiches. But not just any fried chicken sandwiches. We're going to be adding some egg salad in the mix because I love egg salad.
You know, that's great. It adds to a great buffer to what's coming out of my ass. I had an egg salad sandwich and a dark roast coffee this morning, and believe me, it's not pleasant.
And, you know, it's morning time. I want my breakfast. And I love egg salad for breakfast. I love anything egg for breakfast. But egg salad for breakfast hits a spot. So we're going to do a fried chicken sando with egg salad in it. I think it'll be good. You know, it's kind of like throwing some like cold coleslaw on top of your fried chicken sando, but no coleslaw. It's, you know, egg salad. Anyways, since it is morning time, I'm tired as shit. Probably can't tell, but I am tired. Let's start off with some coffee. I'm gonna have some coffee. Here we go. I start out every morning with coffee. You just have to, or at least I have to. But not just any coffee. No. We start directly from the bean. And we grind ourselves. Okay? Some bougie shit. No instant coffee up in this house. No siree. Now, as far as ratio of coffee bean to water, I've heard that 4 tablespoons of coffee bean to 8 ounces of boiling water is the way to go. I don't do that. I have some markings on my French press that I don't think they were meant for measuring. Measuring. They weren't meant for measuring. But I use them as that. And it's actually pretty close to 4 tablespoons of coffee bean to 8 ounces of water. So let's go ahead and fill it up. A 1, a 2, a 3, 4, just slightly over. Perfect. Set that aside. Let's go boil some water. In the meantime, what do we need for our egg salad fried chicken sando? Well, chicken, thigh, breast, whatever you want. I'm using breast. American cheese slice, good old salt and pepper, paprika, oregano, onion powder, garlic powder, mustard. Have I used mustard in almost all my episodes? I have a problem with yellow mustard. Mayonnaise, hot sauce, vegetable oil, flour, milk, butter. I think that's it. I clearly have not had my coffee yet because I forgot one of the most important ingredients. Eggs. Buns. Duh. Okay, before we proceed any further, I need some coffee. I usually do not film this early in the morning. I usually shoot closer to noon after I've had my breakfast, after I've had my coffee. So it clearly is not working for me. I probably shouldn't shoot this early in the morning. You know, they say the early bird gets the worm, but in my case, the early bird forgets the worm. Isn't this mug cute? Me lady made it for me when we were first dating. It's a representation of us. Yeah, pretty much. She's schmo, likes to wear my clothes. I'm tall. UPS just came to the door and delivered. Let's see what we got here, huh? I don't even need this. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Yes. I'm so happy. I am so happy. Oh my God. So, a little backstory. When I first started this YouTube venture, it was when coronavirus started. I did 2 episodes and I started doing the editing. I finished one, the other one I was like 3/4 of the way through. And then we had a living situation where I moved to my lady's dad's house. Trying to do a cooking show in that kitchen just wasn't really happening. It was a packed house, so there wasn't really any quiet time, and I didn't want to be disrespectful with, you know, taking up hours in the kitchen just for my show. So I put everything on hold until we can get into our own place. In the meantime, I had upgraded to a different laptop, lost a lot of that footage. I still had some clips in my phone, which I was able to make the teaser trailer with. But then my current laptop, it's just, now that I've been doing like 17, 20-minute long videos, the editing has just been taking way too long. There's too much buffer. I don't have enough RAM, blah, blah, blah. So I upgraded again and it came today. So editing is gonna go so much more smoother, so much. All right, here we go. Oh my God. Instant boost. I'm ready for the day. Ready. Let's start off with our pre-wash, our mix, and our egg wash. So first, we're going to take our butter. Throw that in the microwave. Take our milk. Mix it on up. I think that's how you make buttermilk. I don't know. Jesus. Put that aside. Now we're going to take our flour. We take our paprika. Our oregano. Our garlic powder. Our onion powder. And our salt and pepper. Give that a nice little whisk. Give it a little stir. Now we're gonna do our eggs. Oh, jeez. Stir that up. Okay, let's take our chicken breast, put it in the buttermilk, and then put it in our flour mixture. Get a nice coat. And then we're gonna give it an egg wash or an egg bath, whatever you want to call it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in here and get some more of this flour mixture on there. And then we can put that aside. All right, so next what we're gonna do is take our skillet like so. We're gonna fill it maybe a third of the way with vegetable oil. Right about there. That should be good. And then you're gonna heat it up. Now, if you guys have a thermometer, please use it. I don't. So you don't want it too hot. You don't want it too not hot. You want it like somewhere in between. But you also don't want to like be right in between because you don't want to lean towards that hot side. I don't know what I'm talking about. But anyways, you want it to be like 350 degrees. I'm gonna kind of just guess. Okay, I think I got it where I want it. I have a little piece in there that I was testing and it wasn't hot enough. So I kind of turned it up a little bit and now we'll check. Okay, yeah, we cooking. We cooking now. We cooking. All right, let's throw it in, shall we? That's what I'm talking about. All right, I think we're ready to flip. Oh yeah. We cooking. We cooking. All right, let's see how the other side looks. Oh, I think we're good. So while it's cooking, you want to preheat your oven to 200 degrees because when it's done cooking, we're going to throw it in the oven to keep it warm while we make our egg salad. With water boiling, you're going to take your eggs, put them in there. One of the eggs, when I dropped it in, kind of exploded, but hey, that's okay. All right, so now that your eggs have been chilling for a while, you're gonna go ahead, take them. Okay, next thing is you're going to take your mayonnaise, your mustard, your paprika, and your salt and pepper. And we're gonna mix that up. Now for the last few minutes or so, while your fried chicken has been staying warm, you're gonna take your American cheese slice and you're just gonna throw it on top of it, okay? Now would be a totally appropriate time to toast our buns. Oh, we cooking. We cooking. Take them buns, toast them. All right, let's come to our prep area. Take our toasted buns. Take that fried chicken. And take our egg salad. Throw it over the top. And then finish it off with a little bit of hot sauce. Yo, this looks really good. I mean, I kind of overdid the chicken. It's a little on the burnt side, let's be honest. But not too burnt. I think it'll still be fine. Don't worry, when I do the full-blown like recipe in the description and the recipe card, I'll go ahead and I'll redo this and I'll make sure I get the right times and temperature and whatnot, so that way you guys don't kind of overcook your chicken. But other than that, man, it looks good, man. The cheese is nice and melty. The egg salad looks perfect. It's dripping over it, it's oozing over it. I love that. Oh man. Let's dig right in. Oh shit, it's a slippery guy. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mmm. Okay. Mmm. Mmm. Honestly, I can't even tell that the chicken is a little on the burnt side. It's like perfectly crispy. The chicken inside is so moist and juicy and good. Mmm. It's really good. And the egg salad on top of that, with the hot sauce, it's killing it. It's so good. Mm. But yeah, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I know I say that after every video, but really, genuinely, I hope you enjoyed it. Again, like, comment, and subscribe. I want to know what your thoughts are on my videos. I want to know what your thoughts are on my recipes. I want to know what you guys want to see me cook next. And then on social media, I want you to go ahead and try my recipes. So I want you to make it, post it, tag me. I want to see what you guys have done. I want to also see you guys get creative. Take my recipe, tweak it. I want to see what you guys add or don't add, or what you do differently than what I did. Tag me, let me see it. But until next time, cheers.